This free software can make you $500 plus per week on Instagram and affiliate marketing. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a free software to grow your Instagram pages and to promote your affiliate products. And if you are a beginner and you don't have money to invest, then you must watch this video. But to be honest with you, it will take some time to grow your Instagram pages, but you will grow them and you will start getting free traffic and you will start making sales. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And to be honest with you, make money online products works the best with this method, but you can successfully promote travel products, woodworking, workout, pets, and so on and so on. But like I said, make money online works the best. So I'm here on ClickBank Marketplace, and what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on e-business and e-marketing and scroll here and click on social media marketing to find social media related products. And here you can see get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. I can make $38 on average per sale. Gravity is 277 and they actually have a recurring commission. I always promote products with recurring commission because as long as those people pay that monthly fee, I will be making money every month. And the reason why I promote this product here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, is because I'm actually promoting this on Instagram, on social media. So many people think, well, when I'm here on social media, why I wouldn't make some money with that, right? I'm already spending time here, so I can make some money from that. And that is why I wish to promote this product here. But if ClickBank doesn't work in your country, don't worry, you can simply go on Digistore24 Marketplace and you can scroll here and you can click here on social media and you can find social media related products on Digistore24 and you can promote those products. But like I said, you can promote successfully travel products, pets, woodworking, workout, and so on and so on. And here you can see some products. For example, this product here, Entrepreneur Secrets. Okay, I can make €5.27, actually €5.27 per sale. You can see here, cancellation rate is only 1.5%, which is really good. And they have 4.2 stars on rating. That is a good rating, but they have billing type single payment, so they don't have recurring commission, but that is okay, and they have a decent sales page. So let's say I wish to promote this page here, this product here, Entrepreneur Secrets. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click here on promote to get your Digistore24 affiliate link. But before we continue, I have a small request for you. Please like this video and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below because I answer on all of my comments. So with that being said, let's continue. And this is my Digistore24 affiliate link. Now you don't have to do this, but I would recommend you to actually shorten this link because this is a long and ugly looking link. So I would recommend you to actually shorten this link. So you can simply copy this link, Ctrl+C, and then you can go on bit.ly, for example, and then click here on create to shorten this link. Just paste it here, click create, and this is my bit.ly link. Shortened link. Okay, just click here on copy, and I will paste it here in Notepad. Okay, and let me just minimize this. And now what you need to do, you actually need to go on Instagram and you need to create your Instagram page. Now this is one of my Instagram pages, and as you can see here, it is called Be Your Own Boss. And first thing you need to do, you need to add a nice profile image that follows the name of your Instagram page. Here you can see I combined black, white and yellow color in my profile image. And really important, you must add a bio, something like this. And here you can see in the bio, I added a link. This is actually a link to my YouTube channel. And you need to say something like that, or I actually created one. Here you can see, you can add something like this. Regular content for online entrepreneurs, okay? Work from home, get paid 500 plus per week, and then want financial freedom? Click below, okay? You can add this into your bio. This is really catchy. It is a good call to action, okay? And now when you made your Instagram page, now you need to start growing that page. So what you need to do, you need to find influencers in your niche. So simply here in search bar, let's say entrepreneurs, for example, and I can simply open this in new tab. And this is what you need to do. What you need to do, you actually need to click on their latest post. This is the latest post, and you need to start following people who liked and comment their latest post. And the reason for that is because those are the people who are still active on Instagram. If you go and follow their followers, chances are that many of those people are not active anymore on Instagram. But these people here, they are still active on Instagram because they liked the post that these guys made just 7 hours ago. And you need also to follow people who comment on their post. And not just that, but these people who liked and comment this post, they are the people who are actually engaging with other people's posts, which means they will engage with your posts as well, and that will help you with Instagram algorithm. Instagram will push your posts if you have a good engagement of your posts. But this is a hard work, it takes lots of time and lots of work. But there is a way to actually do this automatically, to hire a software to do all of this for you. And for that we are going to use this software. I will reveal your name in a minute, and here you can see main features for free. They will auto follow, auto like, auto unfollow, auto comment, and they will automatically send direct messages, all of that for free. You don't have to pay anything for this. And they have 24/7 support. And when you go there on their pricing plans, here you can see for free you will get all of these tools totally free. You don't even need to use paid plan. You can use free plan and it will get the job done. You don't have to invest any money and you will grow your Instagram page totally free. But to be honest with you, it is better to actually follow people manually, because then you can target people more precisely and get more targeted followers. And you can use this software then to unfollow people who are not following you back. So you can basically combine manual and automatic way to grow your Instagram page, and that is actually most efficient way to grow your Instagram page. And you can also use this software to automatically like posts, to automatically comment on other people's posts, and to grow your Instagram page in that way as well. So this is a really powerful tool, and the name of this tool is bot4gram.com. This is the name of the tool, and it is really good, and you can grow your Instagram page totally free. You don't have to invest any money, and no, I am not affiliated with this software. And trust me, once you start growing your page, once you start getting more and more followers, you will start sending people to your link in the bio, and when you get more than 10,000 followers, then you can add a swipe up option into your stories, and you can even make your own blog or website and send people to that blog and website, and you can collect their emails, and then you can make even more money from that Instagram page that you grow for free. That is how powerful this method is. I have a few Instagram pages with more than 200,000 followers, and I'm doing exactly that. I'm growing those pages, I'm sending them to my blogs, my websites, and I'm growing my mailing list. And I'm sending these people mails, and I'm making sales, I'm promoting my affiliate offers. And that is exactly what you can do by using this free tool to grow your Instagram pages. So this is how you do Digistore24 affiliate marketing by growing Instagram pages for free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.